We have given function y, variable is t, and a and b are constants. So to find the derivative of our function y, we have to copy the constant. We always copy the constant. Next, we have composite function. So first we have to find the derivative of function which is outside. It means we have to find the derivative of sine. We know that derivative of sine of x prime is cosine of x. So we have in our case cosine of b times t. Next, we have to find the derivative of expression which is inside. So b times t. b is constant. So we just copy the b, and the derivative of t is 1. So we have times 1. So this is equal. b times 1 is b. So first we put the constants. So we have a times b times cosine of b times t. This is my solution.